So if you've watched some of my previous videos, then you know that I carry two phones at all time. I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is pretty much for friends and family related things, and I have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus that I use for everything else. I wanted to share with you guys what my top 5 are on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and we're doing that right now. Not going in a particular order, but these are the top 5 things that I used my iPhone 11 Pro Max for. And of course, this is also based off the fact that I use this strictly for friends and family related things. The number one feature here is going to be more of a process, right? So the feature is the continuity available in the Apple ecosystem. Okay, so the fact that I have two main phones along with being confined at home make it so that I don't need to be dragging both phones with me in every room in the house. And since I have Apple devices at home, meaning like in my studio, for example, I have my iMac back there, I have a MacBook, I have an iPod, I also have an iPad. And with all of that, I like the fact that I could be on my computer or my iPad, and without even flinching, I could receive and respond to a text or even a call from the wife or friends without having to, let's say, get up and start looking or try to remember where I left my iPhone. By the way, if you haven't done so already, please do me a huge favor and hit both the like and the subscribe button there. It's a huge boost to the channel, and I truly appreciate your support here. Now, the number 2 feature here is the camera, specifically video. I have 2 kids here, so you're always trying to catch those moments in video, right? And with the confinement or the fact that we are always home and spending more time together, it means more opportunity to create video memories. And I don't know if you are aware, but the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max video quality are just out of this world. Apple really came out swinging with this year. The number 3 thing here is battery, and I'm pretty sure you saw that coming. Tons of people have been raving about the battery on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, with reason too, right? With reason. It's definitely a fantastic battery. It does an amazing job just staying all juiced up for whenever you need. And if you don't actually use the battery, like standby mode is it's as if it doesn't even move when you don't touch the phone. It just stays right there. And that includes fast charge, of course. So in case you just need a quick boost or a little something to finish the day, 30 minutes on the charge will get you up to 50%. I still end my days with a good 20% left in the tank on my battery. Although I do use a lot of social media on my iPhone. And that's actually a nice segue into our next feature here, which is Twitter. I prefer to use Twitter on my iPhone because it just feels like the GUI is better for it. Navigation is actually very, very intuitive on the iPhone, in my personal opinion. And that's kind of interesting because initially I thought it was just me, but I came to realize that many people who use 2 phones at the same time, and let's say who have one phone that they dedicate to social media, actually prefer that phone to be the iPhone. So tons of people use iPhones and love using iPhones for Twitter. It's just easier to navigate on the iPhone. The number 5 feature here is actually AirDrop. That thing is legit. It's a fantastic feature. The wife and I share stuff all the time this way. It is by far the most convenient and seamless way I have experienced as far as small file transfer goes. The wife loves it, and as I mentioned, it's very convenient. Even in situation when I have a footage or photo taken on my phone and I just quickly want to transfer, or even if I want to put that in my YouTube video, it's just a couple of clicks and it's right there. Simply put, it is just a very quick and efficient way to transfer stuff. So I wanted to keep this very brief, and those were my 5 favorite things on the iPhone 11 Pro Max based off of my usage. Based off of your usage, what are your 5 favorite things, or however many you want to list? Please do so in the comment section here. I'm gonna catch you in the comment section. I'm also gonna catch you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. Peace.